Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you elegant pergola with retractable roof design ideas and tips to elevate outdoor space with adding touch of modern innovation. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola, with its graceful open-air structure and inviting charm, has long been a beloved addition to outdoor spaces. But what if you could elevate your pergola experience by adding a touch of modern innovation? Enter the retractable roof pergola, a design that seamlessly blends the classic charm of the pergola with the adaptability of a retractable covering. A pergola with a retractable roof is an outdoor structure that combines the open-air ambience of a traditional pergola with the versatility of a retractable canopy. This ingenious design allows you to effortlessly control the amount of shade or sunlight your outdoor space receives, transforming it into a haven of comfort and style. Whether you're looking to enhance an existing pergola or create a new outdoor oasis, adding a retractable roof is a worthwhile investment. While retrofitting a retractable roof to an existing pergola is possible, it's often recommended to consult with a professional to ensure compatibility and structural integrity. Incorporating a retractable roof into your pergola design offers a multitude of benefits that elevate your outdoor experience. First, adjustable shade and sunlight. Enjoy the perfect balance of shade and sunlight with the ability to extend or retract the canopy at your convenience. Second, weather protection. Shield yourself from the elements, whether it's the scorching sun or unexpected rain showers. Third, versatility and extended use. Transform your outdoor space into an all-season haven, allowing you to enjoy it year-round. Fourth, enhanced aesthetics. Elevate the curb appeal of your home with a stylish and modern pergola design. The ideal retractable roof for your pergola depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as material, operation mechanism, and compatibility with your pergola structure. First, material. Common options include aluminum, PVC, and fabric, each offering unique advantages in terms of durability, weather resistance, and aesthetics. Second, operation mechanism. Manual operation involves opening and retracting the roof manually, while motorized systems offer convenience and remote control. Third, compatibility. Ensure the retractable roof is compatible with the dimensions and style of your pergola structure. The cost of a retractable pergola varies depending on factors such as size, material, and installation complexity. Generally, expect to pay anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 or more for a high-quality retractable pergola. And finally, to complete your inspiration, here these the 10 best pergola with retractable roof design ideas. 1. Modern minimalist pergola. Embrace clean lines and sleek design with a minimalist pergola featuring a retractable canopy. 2. Mediterranean-inspired pergola. Transport yourself to the charming ambience of the Mediterranean with a pergola adorned with arches, terracotta tiles, and retractable shade. 3. Rustic wooden pergola. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with a rustic wooden pergola complemented by natural elements and a retractable canopy. 4. Tropical oasis pergola. Transform your backyard into a tropical paradise with a pergola surrounded by lush greenery and a retractable shade that mimics the dappled sunlight of palm trees. 5. Zen garden pergola. Cultivate a tranquil retreat with a pergola inspired by Japanese Zen gardens, featuring a retractable canopy that allows for peaceful contemplation. 6. Mid-century modern pergola. Embrace the retro charm of mid-century modern design with a pergola featuring geometric lines and a retractable canopy. 7. Mediterranean breeze pergola. Capture the essence of the Mediterranean lifestyle with a pergola adorned with whitewashed walls, bougainvillea accents, and a retractable canopy. 8. Scandinavian simplicity pergola. Embrace the minimalist elegance of Scandinavian design with a pergola featuring clean lines, natural materials, and a retractable canopy. 9. Industrial chic pergola. Add a touch of urban edge to your outdoor space with a pergola featuring exposed metal beams, reclaimed wood accents, and a retractable canopy. 10. Eclectic Fusion Pergola. Celebrate the beauty of diversity with a pergola that blends elements from various styles, complemented by a retractable canopy that harmonizes with the eclectic mix. Pergolas with retractable roofs offer a harmonious blend of classic charm and modern innovation, transforming your outdoor space into a versatile haven of comfort, style, and protection. Embark on the journey of creating your own outdoor oasis with a retractable pergola, and witness the elegance it brings to your home. Unleash your creativity and elevate your outdoor living experience with a pergola that perfectly reflects your style. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of elegant pergola with retractable roof design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.